Hello, good morning and namaskar to everyone present here. I am Saanvi Chaudhary from grade 8A2 in front of you all to deliver a short presentation on the topic plastic pollution, one of the biggest environmental problems around the world. Plastic is useful in our daily life because it is cheap, lightweight and durable. We use plastic bottles, bags and many other products every day. However, the problem begins when we throw them carelessly. Plastic does not decompose quickly like other natural materials. It can stay in the environment for hundreds of years, polluting lands, rivers, and oceans. Plastic pollution harms wildlife, damages ecosystem, and even affects human life. So the causes of it are littering, poor waste management. So the effect that it causes are harm to animals, environmental problems, etc. So the solution of it are reducing plastic use, recycling and reusable products. In the conclusion, I would like to say plastic pollution is a serious environmental problem. If everyone takes responsibility, we can help make our environment safer and cleaner for our future generations. By saying this, I would like to conclude my speech here. Thank you and have a great day.